What are you going to do?
Hula hoop.
Go on then.
You have to keep that bum wiggling for a little bit longer. Hudson, in your bed. In your bed. Oh. Keep your bum wiggling afterwards. That's it. Lots of wiggling. Yay! Nearly.
Right, what I want you to do is I want you to do your hula hoop, and then when you finish that, you've got to do your ice skating. Now you're ice skating. Now you're ice skating again. More ice skating. And what about your dancing?
Ballet with your hands over your head, your little turns. Turn your turn. Woo!
One more big one at each.
That was very good.
I can do it on my toes too.
Are you supposed to do it on your toes?
Yeah.
Are you? Do they teach you to do it on your toes?
Yeah.
You show me a plie.
Yes. I got a new PA.
Will be one knee, other knee as well.
One knee. Other knee. One knee. Other knee.
That's beautiful. And you said you had another plie. You had a different plie.
Yeah.
What's your other plie? Brilliant. Are you the best in your class?
Yeah.
Are you? Is there any...
That's all my move contest. Can I see it?
Hang on a minute. Say bye-bye, Sophie. Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Thanks for watching.